Mga Bebe Loves, eto na. Medium size ng freezer bag. Nag-contest na rin ako, ha. Kukunin na natin si paprika. You see? Oops. Yan. Nahulog na si paprika. Hinulog ko si paprika. Yan, the paprika is there already. Iwanan natin yung isang tray. So, ang gagawin natin sa kanya, ayan o, medyo na-absorb niya na yung konting tigas dun sa loob ng freezer. Yan, small size. Lagay ka lang dyan. Separate it kung ilan ang gusto mo para sa pagluluto. Asa sa'yo yan. Kung paano mo ibabudget ang iyong needs for cooking. Kasi nga, this is very expensive right now. Tsaka, yan. Kasi dalawa lang naman kami ng asawa ko. So, yan lang. Pagka kailangan mong tipirin. Yan. So, I get the other one. Get the other set of paprika. It's here. As you can see, medyo na siya, oh. Diba? Separate it. Kung ilan ang luto. How many times you wanna cook. Anytime you wanna cook with the paprika, you have it anytime, diba? Tsaka yung binibili natin sa supermarket na mga frozen veggie. Ganito yun. Ganito lang din yun. Naka yung juicy. Okay? Yan. Diba? Ang dami kong paprika. Yan. It's up to you. The amount of the paprika that you're going to keep. See? So, I have it already like this. You just press it gently to put out all the necessary air inside the plastic. Like this. See? Frozen na siya. Oh, 'di ba? Parang yung nabibili sa supermarket. You just remove the air. Yung air sa loob ng plastic, tanggalin nyo as much as possible. You remove the air. You remove the air inside the plastic and then seal it like this. You see? As much as possible, remove all the air. Take a look at this. Hindi maganda. Diba? O, hindi nahuhulog, oh. At tanggalin niyo yung air sa loob ng plastic pag isinisil dito. So, ganyan lang siya. Yan. See? Oops. Tingnan nyo, oh, naka-sealed na siya. Ganyan lang yung mga binibili sa grocery na mga frozen. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 frozen red pepper. And then you have to put that inside the freezer. You see, I have a frozen chili. I have my frozen green peas. I have my frozen, I have here broccoli. I have here bitter gourd, a frozen one. I harvested it last year. Imagine, almost 1 year I have a bitter gourd. So I will arrange it here. I still have a broccoli here. Okay. You need to see, I have plenty of red pepper here. The paprika. You just put it like this. Yan. O, diba? Meron na akong red pepper. Meron na akong paprika. Anytime I wanna cook menudo or what do you call that? Menudo or embutido or mechado, I have a paprika, a red pepper. See? I have a stock. So guys, ano pa iniintay nyo? Tipid-tipid tayo mga mamshi. Diba? Okay, see you again on my next vlog and sharing with you what I'm doing. Bye! Thank you for watching.